Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Today's going to be May 15th, which is the day after the U.S. Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to everybody. Um, and yeah, I feel like drawing on this purple piece of paper. I'm going to do it with a yellow pen. Make myself a border real quick with my pencil because I want to. I like my borders. You guys know that. Something like that. And I was inspired. I turned on Pinterest. Let me see if it's still there. All I did was open my Pinterest page. No, every time I do that, it refreshes. There was a Pinterest page that just had somebody doing some simple lines. Every time I open Pinterest, there's always something. Excuse me, my microphone's touching my face. There's always something new to look at. And I just open it and be inspired by whatever comes up front first. So I was inspired by this one that gave me dots on the page. Just general dots on a page. Let's do one into each corner just so I have a spot there. And then they did was sort of a curvy line to each of the dots. Not necessarily straight. Connecting all the dots. That's where they started. And then they just did a sort of Bales or type of move with just some lines, making a pod of sorts on each of those lines. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 6. We'll do 6 lines. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They just made pods. And they just filled the whole space with these pods. Okay, now they added pods between pods. Just filling the space. Just simply filling the space because it's fun. And then just going to go around the sides. Filling those in because I want to. Something like that. Fill in this one because that will give me that border that I like. And then if I want to put another one in here. And do I want another one in here? Like so. And maybe one in here. Do I want to just fill my spaces with lines? Probably. Maybe not. You know what? I kind of like it like this. I want to make dark in there. Let's do black. Where'd my brush pen go? Hello, brush pen. There you are. Not sure I like the black, but I've started it, so I'm gonna continue. Some of them I'll have to come back with my yellow. I think that's good. I think that's good. I want a dark, I want a border of some sort. Hello, little bird. I have my window open. It's a beautiful day. Finally stopped raining and being windy. It's a beautiful day. So I've got my window open. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to fix some of these. Fix some of these where I got black on top of my yellow. And I may come in with a white pen or pencil, give it a little bit of sparkle. Because, you know, can never have too much sparkle. I feel like I want white in there. Sharpen my pencil. Ooh. Not a lot, just a little bit, just a little shine right in the middle of these petals. It's almost too much. It's okay. I do like the contrast of the black. Really, contrast is what really excites the eye. So, that's cool. Yes, I like that. Whatever this is called. I don't even know what to call it. Because my inspiration didn't have a name. I'm going to call it... It's kind of like Bales. So I'm going to call it Bales Flowers. We'll call it Bales Flowers. Why not? Something simple. Easy, non-stressful, wonderful thing to do for today. Bales Flowers. We still need more subscribers to get to that 30,000 subscriber mark. Let me see where we're at today. You guys have been working on it, but it's kind of slow. Still not there. Let me look. 29,326. Come on, you guys. We need less than 900. Right? No. Minus 326. 674. I only need 674. You guys can do it. Hit that subscribe button. That way I can give away some of my art. I want to give it away. I'm excited for that to happen, but we can't do it without you. So, Go out and have a nice day. Do something nice for someone today, like hitting that subscribe button for me. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.